What's up everyone? I'm Jeremy Rodriguez with Leatherman Tool Group here in Portland, Oregon. Ever wonder what the best way to carry a Leatherman is? Today I'm going to show you all the different ways to carry a Leatherman. When it comes to carrying your tool, there are really 4 different methods: pocket clip, sheath, bag, and what I like to call utility. We'll cover each in detail, the pros and cons, and why you prefer one method over the other. Let's start with one of my favorites, the pocket clip. The pocket clip is a great option if you like to carry a Leatherman on you or if it's part of your everyday. The clip allows access to your tools quickly and keeps things minimal so you don't have anything extra hanging off your belt. And because of the size and shape of some of our products, it's not going to weigh you down. Many of our multi-tools also come with a pocket clip pre-installed, so it's ready to go from day one. For some of the tools with clips, you can install the pocket clip on the opposite side, giving you quick access to various tools. Another way folks carry a Leatherman is in a sheath. This is especially true if the multi-tool is larger in size or weight. The advantages of having a sheath is that it takes the weight out of your pocket and transfers that weight to your belt. It still allows you to keep your Leatherman on you and gives you the added protection from abrasions, scratches, or simply setting it down and forgetting about it. Another great thing about some of our sheaths is that it allows you to carry accessories like a bit kit, a small flashlight, or even a pen or Sharpie. We do offer a wide range of sheaths on Leatherman.com, from basic nylon sheaths to sheaths with multiple pockets for accessory storage. We also have leather sheaths, as well as ones that are compatible with a MOLLE system. If you find that you don't need a Leatherman on your person, then a tool pouch or the adapt kit are great options. They allow your tool and some everyday carry items to fit in your backpack or your standalone kit. These are also ideal if your work takes you to remote locations or sites, as these bags keep all your essentials in one place. Something to consider, since there are a lot of pockets and spaces to hold gear, they're definitely not as compact or lightweight when used by themselves. The last method of carry is really to have your Leatherman in a known spot, so that it's there when you need it. This is especially true if you use your Leatherman for different projects and activities. Some of the places I have my multi-tool include the glove box or center console, tackle box, guitar case, my camping gear, and of course my junk drawer at home. At the end of the day, it really comes down to your personal preference and what works best for you and what you do. And that's what makes Leatherman pretty useful. That it's easy to have on you because of the size and weight, has a variety of features that solve a ton of different problems, and because of its build quality, it'll be around for a long time. So how do you carry? If you like one of these methods or have a different way of carrying your multi-tool, let us know in the comments below. And to learn more about some of our accessories and sheaths that help you carry, check out Leatherman.com for more info.